Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you swallow it? Let's take a journey through the amazing human digestive system, step by step. Digestion begins in your mouth. When you chew food, your teeth break it into smaller pieces. At the same time, saliva, produced by your salivary glands, starts breaking down carbohydrates using enzymes. It's like prepping the food before the real work begins. Next, the chewed food, now called a bolus, travels down a long muscular tube called the esophagus. This movement is powered by rhythmic contractions called peristalsis, kind of like a wave pushing the food down. Then, the food enters your stomach, a muscular sac filled with powerful digestive juices, mainly hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsin. The stomach churns the food and mixes it with these acids, turning it into a thick liquid called chyme. Proteins start getting broken down here. Now chyme moves into the small intestine, the real MVP of digestion. Here, your liver adds bile, stored in the gallbladder, to break down fats, and the pancreas sends in enzymes to digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Most of the nutrients, like vitamins, minerals, and glucose, are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. This process takes several hours but is incredibly efficient. What's left now is mostly water and waste. This moves into the large intestine, or colon. Here, water and some minerals are absorbed, and the leftover material is turned into solid waste, or stool. The waste is stored in the rectum until it's ready to leave your body through the anus during a bowel movement. That's the final stop on your food's digestive journey. So next time you eat, remember, your body is running a complex and fascinating process just to turn that bite into energy. Digestion is truly a wonder of biology.